Train your English voice to use if and when in sentences. Sometimes we use if when we are not sure of the facts or we don't know what will happen. Let's look at the structure of these sentences. If, I, we, he, she, you, they, it, had, bought, went, didn't have, buy, go, was, were, could. I, we, he, she, you, they, it. Could or couldn't, would or wouldn't, have, buy, go, be. For example, if I had a car, I could distribute the letters for you. Let's remember what we learnt about if. We use if when we are not sure of something. If can stand at the beginning of a sentence or in the middle of a sentence. For example, if they broadcast the announcement, I will watch it. I will type it if you dictate what you want. Remember, using if or when can change the meaning of the sentence. For example, if I had to narrate that story, I would use many different voices. This means I am not sure if I will narrate the story. When I narrate that story, I will use many different voices. This means I am not sure when, but I will at some point.